It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited Elevation. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Elevation. Driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power adjustable side mirrors, a child lock button, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right we have various drive modes appear on the dash. Two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, along with some lighting controls and dials with an electric park brake down below. Rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a black cloth interior, and that center console opens up into an additional seat. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has the cruise control buttons, and on the right are the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead are some interior light buttons and OnStar. This is GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also got our trailering app, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. And to the right there, we have hitch guidance. The hard buttons for our infotainment screen are down below. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control. This button here rolls all four windows down at the same time. We also have some USB ports and a power plug-in. At the front of the Elevation, we have black tow hooks, fog lights, signature C-shaped headlamps, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 2.7-liter turbo engine under the hood, black mirror caps, rear tinted windows, keyless entry, remote start. As we make our way to the back, you'll notice the CornerStep bumper. Those CornerSteps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use the key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's 6-way MultiPro tailgate. By pushing two additional buttons, we're able to drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has 12 cargo hooks and LED box lighting. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of the center console has the rear fans, USB ports, and a power plug-in. Rubber floor mats on the floor, and we're able to raise these rear seats up with ease for additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited Elevation, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.